Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Well, today gagawa tayo ng picadillo with quail eggs. So, ito ang mga kailangan natin guys. Tomato paste. Syempre, gulay, minced meat. Minced meat, yan, quail eggs. Carrots and potatoes. Green peas. Raisins. Onion and garlic. Ayan, unahin natin. This is boiled for 5 minutes, guys. So, madali lang naman siyang balatan. So, after ma-boiled ng 5 minutes, guys, ibabad nyo siya ng konti sa malamig na tubig. So, let's do this. Olive oil. And then, garlic and then onion. Saute. And then add the minced meat. This is combination of pork and beef. But if you like beef, it's also okay. And then add some tomato paste or tomato sauce. Yung banana ketchup is also good, guys, if you have banana ketchup. And then add salt and pepper. And konting tubig, small amount of water. And then let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Mama! Waarom is het gebruikt? Ik ga het nieuw pakken.
If the meat is ready, you can put the carrots and the potatoes for about 7 minutes. And then, okay na siya. You can add some water if you want some sauce. And then if the potatoes and the carrots are already cooked, add the green peas and the raisins. I used the fish sauce to taste. You can also add bouillon if you want, but the fish sauce is already okay. And of course, add also some sugar later. So now we're gonna add some sugar. So it depends on your taste. You can just add if you want the fish sauce and the sugar. So I like it this way.
Bye na.
So I used 500 grams of minced meat in this recipe, guys. And then I think 24 pieces of quail eggs. And 1 cup the vegetables and half cup ng raisins. So this is now actually ready. You just put some water if you want it to have some sauce. But I like it this way. Smells very nice, guys. So ready na for family gatherings, for friends, and for your family also, dinner or during lunch. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe like, and comment to my video. Thank you. So guys, this is our Filipino picadillo with quail eggs. Thank you for watching. God bless.